is those nights when?
Yeah. I'll play it. You sing it.
Oh, I don't know the words yet.
Then I don't want to sing
You
it.
sing it.
No, I'm not.
You sing all day long, every day. You do? All day?
Everything into song.
What is the song that you like to sing?
This song. But it's...
She makes up her own. That's good because we were about to write a masterpiece, but I want to know what else you
What are
sing.
you going to say?
I'm going to sing the Night Swing song.
Go ahead and sing the next one song. How does it go?
I don't know.
You already wrote one and it's like I didn't die. That was...
Swimming last night. All right. And the moon was out, huh?
I don't want to sing it.
I am. Oh, you want the... Because that's when the lightning comes. You have to tell me when the lightning comes and then I'll get the lightning chords. Which is what we can call them. You
Yeah, fast, good.
can go lightning chords and I'll know exactly what you're talking about.
I'll do it.
Okay, you're going to tell me when?
Yeah.
Okay.